it's time. It is time. They have been unleashed. The KoAloha Royal Pikake ukuleles. And this one, we're going to go over the tenor size. They are here. They are here, the Royal Pikakes. Great job. And a shout out to the genius, the mastermind, Brian Benaventes over at KoAloha for the Royal Pikakes. Now, if you remember when we did our Christmas extravaganza, ukelikethepros.com, you remember Brian was talking about this. But now they are finally here. And guess what? They are available, store.ukelikethepros.com, tenor size, concert size, soprano, pineapple, long neck, and soprano. And you can get them at the #1 store, the biggest KoAloha dealer in the world, store.ukelikethepros.com. These are absolutely phenomenal. You're going to need to add one of these to your collection. We're going to go over why this is different from the normal Pikakes at KoAloha, and what makes them different than their normal KTM-10, which is their gloss ones. All right, we're going to go over all of that in this video. So if you're ready, let's dive into it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and then leave some comments below, even right now, just what do you think of what you heard before. So you ready? Come on, let's dive in. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Say it again. Hallelujah. Come on, drop the comment below. What do you think of the tenor size KoAloha Royal Pikakes? All right, let's dive into this. All right, check out this. Premium koa wood in the satin finish. All right, gorgeous, gorgeous. A lot of variations in koa wood, from dark to lighter to darker. And KoAloha is known for doing this. I like to kind of mix it up with dark top and back, lighter. Some of them are lighter tops, darker side. Some of them are dark. Some of them are light. So there's a lot of variations in a koa wood. Now, this is a satin finish. So this is the same so far as their normal Pikake, which is gone. Absolutely gone. Matter of fact, if you see any of those left, those are collector's items. And I think we do have a few left at store.ukelikethepros.com, because now it's going to be all about the Royal Pikakes, all right? So that's the same. And the satin finish, you can't, like with a high gloss, like the normal KTM, you can kind of hide some stuff. I say that not in a bad way, but because you can buff things out. With the satin finish, there's less room for air. You got to choose wood that's a little bit nicer, some more premium wood, and because it just has that beautiful satin finish. A lot of people think they sound a little bit more open sounding than a gloss finish. Okay, that's up to your interpretation, but they do, I believe. They sound big, they sound full. By the way, the tenors come with a low G unwound. All right. Now, what makes it Pikake? Pikake is a satin finish. What makes it the Royal Pikake? You can see a couple things. First and foremost, let's start right here because we're already at this area. The Masabi sound hole, that's their patented sound hole, but they have the reverse KoAloha crown at the end of this ebony fretboard. Very, very cool. Super, super cool. Glad they brought that back. Move up to the headstock here. Satin finish headstock with the ebony. Remember, that started with the silver anniversaries, which were a huge hit. We sold a bunch of those things. So that they did upgrade. They've gone and they've stuck with, these are the same tuners that were on those silver anniversaries, those 25 year silver anniversary. It's like nice gear tuners on all of the sizes: tenor, concert, soprano, and the pineapple soprano long neck. Okay, so all gear tuners now. You have the typical 1.5-inch nut width and the 17-inch scale length there. Now, what also they've done with the new, all their ukes now, is they've actually moved to a wood, engraved wood label inside. So absolutely phenomenal. Let me do a little bit more playing because I want to get your opinion on this. Woo! Ooh. Take that up there. Little augmented core. Little jazz for you. And by the way, we do have jazz course over at ukelikethepros.com. Matter of fact, we have over 20 courses there, plus a fantastic platinum membership. All right. These are really, really cool. They've been working really hard on these, and this one right here is from the very first batch of them. But they're all going to be phenomenal, phenomenal instruments. And I want to thank KoAloha. I want to thank Brian. They always take care of me because I'm a KoAloha artist, also a #1 KoAloha dealer. So I appreciate that support with them as well. So phenomenal instruments. What do you think? Drop it in the comment below. The Royal Pikake is now available. Be one of the first to own these. Again, this was a tenor with the low G. They also have the concert soprano and the soprano pineapple long neck with the concert neck on those. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. I appreciate you being here. Okay, make sure to check out all our other stuff, our Patreon page, our social media stuff. And if you want this Royal Pikake or any of the sizes, stored at ukelikethepros.com.